Explain like I'm 5. Cognitive dissonance. Imagine you really love animals and believe it's important to be kind to them. Then one day you find out that your favorite food, chicken nuggets, comes from chickens. Now you feel super confused because you love chickens, but you also love eating chicken. This uncomfortable feeling between two true things is called cognitive dissonance. Cognitive dissonance happens when we hold two conflicting beliefs or behaviors. It's like believing smoking is bad but continuing to smoke. It can make you feel uneasy and lead you to actually change the behavior to get rid of that discomfort. Marketers use cognitive dissonance to create buyer's remorse to make you wonder if you made the right decision. Cognitive dissonance can push us to make better decisions like quitting smoking or eating healthier. It can also cause stress and lead us to justify harmful behaviors to avoid feeling guilty. And that is bad. When you notice cognitive dissonance, take a moment to reflect on why you feel conflicted. Consider whether you need to change your behavior or your beliefs in order to resolve that discomfort.